Hi, I'm Dan from Total Restoration Services, and welcome back to our pre-recorded mini podcast, Just Roofing It. Today we are going to touch on one of the growing trends in 2024 in roofing, and better known as metal roofing for your home or business in the Midwest. So with that said, let's get into it. The Midwest is no stranger to extreme weather, with its harsh winters, heavy snowfall, icy conditions, temperature swings, and sweltering heat. Such variability places a lot of strain on homes and commercial buildings, particularly the roof, which bears the brunt of it. Metal roofing is a robust solution offering durability, longevity, and energy efficiency, especially in climates like those of the Midwest where we live. This mini podcast will explore some various metal roofing options, focusing on benefits for residential and commercial properties. So, why metal roofs? One of the primary reasons for the growing popularity of metal roofing in the Midwest is its unmatched durability. Metal roofs are engineered to last 40 to 70 years, significantly longer than traditional asphalt roofs, which may last only 15 to 25 years. In a region where heavy snow, ice dams, and freezing rain are common, a metal roof provides a solid defense against these elements. Metal roofs are uniquely suited for cold climates like those in the Midwest. In this section, we'll dive into the specific weather challenges that Midwesterners face and how metal roofing addresses them. So, the smooth, non-porous surface of metal roofing makes it easier for snow and ice to slide off. This feature significantly reduces the risk of snow accumulation and ice dams, a problem that can lead to water leaks and structural damage. When combined with proper roof ventilation and insulation, metal roofing can protect homes and commercial buildings from severe damage during winter months. The Midwest often experiences high winds, especially during storms. Metal roofing systems, when properly installed, are known for their wind resistance, with some metal roofing systems rated to withstand gusts up to 140 miles an hour. This is particularly relevant in states like Illinois, Indiana, and Wisconsin, where tornadoes and windstorms can be frequent. During cold winters, freeze-thaw cycles can lead to water seepage into roof materials and thus causing cracks and leaks. Metal roofs with their solid panels prevent water from entering the roof structure, minimizing the potential for leaks and water damage over time. Energy efficiency is another key advantage of metal roofing. In the Midwest, where summers can be just as intense as winters, a metal roof helps homeowners and businesses manage their energy use. Metal roofing has natural reflective properties, which means it can reflect UV rays away from the building. This reduces the amount of heat absorbed by the structure and helps keep homes and commercial buildings cooler. In turn, this can lower air conditioning costs by 10 to 25%, a significant benefit in the hot, humid Midwestern summers. In winter, proper insulation under a metal roof ensures that heat stays inside the building, reducing the needs for heating. Paired with the roof's reflective qualities, metal roofs contribute to year-round energy savings. So, many homeowners and businesses worry about maintenance when it comes to roofing, especially metal roofing. However, metal roofs are low-maintenance options with remarkable longevity. Let's explore what this means for residents in the Midwest. On the longevity end, metal roofs are built to last. With proper installation and minimal maintenance, metal roofs can last up to 70 years or more, as opposed to asphalt shingles that may only last 2 to 3 decades at most. Low maintenance. Metal roofs are resistant to mildew, insects, and rot. In snowy regions, the snow shedding ability reduces the need to manually clear snow off the roof, unlike traditional roofing materials, which may require attention after heavy snowfalls. Occasional inspections and light cleaning are typical, and that's all that's needed to keep a metal roof in tip-top shape. Today's metal roofs are not only functional, but can also enhance the aesthetic appeal of homes and businesses. Check this out. For those who want the look of a traditional roof with the durability of metal, stamped metal shingles are an excellent option. These shingles can mimic the look of slate, wood shakes, or even asphalt shingles, allowing homeowners to maintain the architectural integrity of their homes while benefiting from a metal's durability. Another popular choice for commercial properties, standing seam metal roofs feature long, continuous panels that run from the ridge of the roof down to the eaves. The seams where each panel connects are raised above the roof level, making them highly water resistant and sleek in appearance. They are growing in popularity for residential homes as well due to their modern aesthetics and durability. Metal roofing offers a wide range of color options. Homeowners and business owners can choose from neutral tones to bold hues, matching the roof to the overall style of the building. In areas where traditional asphalt shingles are common, this variety allows property owners to differentiate their homes or businesses with a more unique, let's say, modern look. So, as environmental awareness grows, many property owners are looking for a, let's call it, eco-friendly building material. Metal roofing is one of the most substantial roofing options in the market. So, what does that mean? For example, recyclable materials. Metal roofs are often made from recyclable materials, and at the end of their life, the roofing material can be fully recycled again, reducing the impact on landfills. As for energy savings, by reducing energy use throughout the year, both in cooling during the summer and heating during the winter, metal roofs can lower a building's overall carbon footprint, making them a smart choice for eco-conscious property owners. Some metal roofing systems are designed with cool roof technology that helps minimize the heat island effect in urban areas by reflecting solar energy. This not only benefits individual buildings, but can also contribute to cooling neighborhoods in densely populated areas. So, touching a little bit on cost. While metal roofs tend to have a higher upfront cost compared to traditional asphalt roofs, it's important to highlight the long-term savings that they offer. A return on investment. Well, the longer lifespan and reduced maintenance costs associated with metal roofs make them a cost-effective investment over time. Homeowners and business owners can recoup a significant portion of their initial investment through energy savings, reduced repair costs, and even insurance discounts. Talking about insurance discounts, some insurance companies offer discounts for homes and businesses with metal roofs, as they are more resistant to fire, wind, and hail damage. It's worth exploring insurance benefits in your region to further offset the initial cost. Well, with all that said, and to sum things up before we end, in the Midwest, where weather extremes can take a toll on roofs, metal roofing stands out as a top choice for both residential and commercial properties. With its unmatched durability, energy efficiency, low maintenance, and evolving aesthetic options, metal roofs offer property owners a solid investment that pays off in both comfort and cost savings. And by the way, metal roofs are not noisy. As long as they are prepared with the correct decking and insulation, all will be just fine. My name is Dan with Total Restoration Services. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you have any detailed questions on metal roofing, please feel free to call me at 262-334-9110. Don't forget to visit our Facebook channel at TRS Roofs. That's www.facebook.com/TRS Roofs. And also take a peek at our other videos and how-to information on our YouTube channel, Just Roofing It. As always, I'll see you somewhere. Our mini podcast is here to inform you about the options available, providing peace of mind as you consider making the switch to metal roofing. Total Restoration Services was not paid for or sponsored in any way for our specific views, comments, or suggestions in this broadcast.